Officially, Krobia I in the first training session ahead of WAC game, Sunday na eba so na me no ka say Kotoko Alande Eastern region. No ka say Kotoko Eastern region of Ghana. Eastern region of Ghana. The capital na ye hemfa Kufudua. Na Kotoko ni Kufudua baby a Kotoko wo no with the details na nyebra. Anano pa no training echo so. Training echo so amanfo bu say hemfa no mo ye training ni nyina no. We can't boom in this particular video. Na me the amount enya kasa tintin. Enya Kotoko one has one. Asemono munti ase eni nchiremu no. Ena ye de eba efia Kotoko squad o mo de ekọ ye no so. We de nyina abema in this particular video. Yes. In about 2-3 minutes per we de nyina no join the Kotoko Reaction International 0247 107260 0247 squad Asante Kotoko at the core, told say 22 now squad no enuni but before some of the squad no I mean show me say pictures are on the screen or so no Asante Kotoko training ground our we training no omo just close to Accra omo dew mamen kana mention dew pitch no so Eastern region dew hona enra omo etu ye hona omo stop ya omo lodge in a hotel nti ombe wo hwa bia Friday na omo akoye training no Accra Sports Stadium ni ade ugru Accra no ma master e kana anu edin e wo nkran e kana anu edin wo nkran nti omo choke e wo Eastern region dew na omo ye training so omo ye training na maybe Thursday work for no so be a Friday let's say omo nyina no bia training wa Accra Sports Stadium na omo come any no information e kura me anope na I was in the film ma squad no Mohamed Kamara and then goalkeeper Aziz Aruna Dare Zakaria Fuseni defender or a part of the squad Inusa Adams or a winger fullback or also a part of the squad Peter Midu Akwa is a part of the squad Peter Midu Akwa is part of the squad. Joseph Amo is part of the squad. Joseph Amo is Philip Amo. Philip Amo Dini Tembia me Joseph Amo na or hono ana ya na wa confuse me. Joseph Amo is also part of the squad. Ono your right or your left back. Joseph Amo and Philip Amo is also part of the squad. Joseph Amo is also part of the squad. Emmanuel NP is also part of the squad. Emmanuel NP is also part of the squad. Shaibu Abubakar is also part of the squad. Seth Kwelu midfielder is also part of the squad. As I said, Peter Midwakwa is also part of the squad. And Francis Akwa, also a defender signed from Bechem United, also is part of the squad. Walid Neema Fuseni is also part of the squad. Joseph Ablo, champion defender, Joseph Ablo is also part of the squad. Patrick Asiedu, the left back, also can Hubert Joe, and so Eka Timono, Morfin Kwame Dunzu, and so Eka Morfin Kwame Dunzu, Lord Hilary Adabo, and so a part of the squad. Samba Unel, the captain of the side, is also part of the squad. Samba Unel is also a part of the squad. Not forgetting player Yerestino, Anasian Reskino, Albert Amo, Kotoko champion striker, is also part of the team set to play WAC of Morocco, Kosiada, Nankopon Yadoma, Accra Sports Stadium, Kotoko, Eastern region, Omoye training. My first training area, and you may name some training about so I made information on the abroad.